Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Hey guys, another weekend of fun, and today, as I've been planning for the longest time, is to finally start working on the garage in terms of my my work area here, my workbench, and I'm planning to install the Craftsman products that I have purchased many months ago, and I'll be laying out the cabinet, the upper cabinet, and then that one long stand-up cabinet on this side over here. So anyways guys, stay tuned.
Take down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows him spoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies sound broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took.
As you folks remember, a couple of episodes ago, I have purchased all these Craftsman products at Lowe's, and basically I do have three wall cabinets that's going to be sitting up top above my pegboards, and also the actual tall cabinets that's going to be sitting beside my workbench. So anyways guys, just wanted to show you what I have going, and that's what we're going to be installing today. Well, while we're at it guys, I would like to give you guys an update on what is the latest things that I've done that I actually haven't featured yet on the channel. So as you guys can see, I have my pegboards in place. Technically I didn't do any videos in this regard, but I would like to give you guys an update on the stuff that I've done in the garage that I haven't featured yet. So anyways guys, the pegboard is in place. Some of my tools are in place, and as you notice, I have my air compressor over here, and on top of the air compressor, just recently I have added this very awesome product. It's made by Maximum. Basically it is a retractable air hose, and it's a great addition to this workshop. As you guys can see, all the work that I do here quite a bit, and having a air hose available on the center of the shop is very convenient. And at the same time, what I truly like about it is it's a lot easier for me to do cleanup, because a lot of times, you know, fixing the hose and wiping them off, because I don't want them to get dirty. In this case, it's hanging, it's always up in the air, and you pull it, it locks, and basically from there you could just work on, you know, your air tools in the whole 9 yards, and not worrying about your hose all over the place. So anyways, that's a great addition. Here's another spot in the garage that basically it's becoming one of my favorite. This little corner space here that I put together just recently, and just my little office while I'm waiting on my basement development. And yeah, I'm really loving it. It's a little oasis here where I spend a lot of my time, and you know, sitting here watching the cars. Basically, at times it's just a way to kill time.
All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind. Yeah. Take down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows him spoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies sound broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called is falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called is falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called is falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah. So easy. We could be the enemy, show 'em how it's done. Yeah, we could brand a new identity and tear apart the song that's making grayscale. We love black and white scale, singing saints of the sinners, believe in burn all that's in it. We'll take 'em out, out, out. We'll make 'em up for it and shout, shout, shout. Keep out the guns, I'll take the wheel. How we feel, we will make.
Well, guys, I'm pretty much halfway through, but I found a defect. It looks like it's a factory defect here in that sense. And the shelving part is slightly bent in a sense that that one part of this shelf is wider than the other side. As you can see, guys, here, the way they have folded this edging is way off. So as you can see, guys, they folded right here, and it's supposed to be the fold is right at the end of this, but they folded it this way versus the proper way would have been like so. I'm having a problem here because now when I put it in, this part bulges where it's hooking, it's bulging out because this is way too wide. This part is way too wide. It's about 5 to 7 mil thicker than the usual. So I don't know what to do here, guys, but I gotta find a way to retrofit this, I guess, or I can get Craftsman to send me a new one, but that's really a bummer thing. I'm pretty disappointed, pretty excited with what I'm working on here. As you can see, guys, my cabinets are all up. There was a ding on overall the shelvings, the top shelvings are okay. There's just one dent on the inside, so I put it in there so that way, you know, I don't have to deal with it in a sense that's hidden. But this one here, this is unacceptable. The other one fits just well. As you can see, there is no malformation, and if you compare to this, as you can see, guys, it's thinner. It's going thinner on this end. It's okay because I could pretty much, in a sense, for aesthetic, I could flip it over, which gives me an equal surface to work with. But the problem here is that it's a lot wider on this side, or on the other side here. This part is wider than usual, which makes the whole cabinet bulge out, and I don't think it's gonna work in that sense. So I gotta make a complaint on this because it's not gonna work for me. So anyways, guys, I'll give you an update. Well, folks, I got good news. I managed to retrofit an idea here. So basically, I have chiseled away a portion of this brace, which is supposed to be like that. But what I did is that I basically just shaved it off almost to the same size as the shelf, the rear portion of the shelf there, and it fits perfectly now. Of course, after half an hour of chucking it away, I managed to chunk out that piece about the same size of what the mistake is about. As you can see, guys, it's about that much of mistake they made in terms of folding this whole metal sheet. As you can see, it's wide over there and it's tapering away the small little fold right there. So as you can see, guys, once I put it back in now it just fits perfectly. So this part will not be bulging as much. I might shave a little bit more in the bottom so it fits nicely there, but it's getting there. I managed to get it flush at least. This was lifted about 5 mil earlier on, and so now it's all fitting nicely. So anyways, guys, again, a bit disappointed on the product that I truly love, as I have been a big fan of Craftsman products. Yeah, a little disappointing, but again, if you guys are Craftsman, if you are listening, yeah, a little disappointed in this case. I need to truly maybe contact you guys and discuss this a little bit. This is not the product that I thought it is. No, I'm kind of lost for words on what I have to go through. A half an hour wasted in the process of installation, and an hour and a half of installation. Now I'm down to almost 2 hours.
All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment that you've been waiting for. Well, it's finally finished. The final product is all installed. I love the end result of this workshop. Can't be even happier than what I have here now. It's just gonna evolve from here. And of course, I'm gonna make a few adjustments here and there as I go. But I ended up only putting 2 cabinets up top, given that there's no room for the other one. I'll find a place to put the other one at some point in time. And so anyways, guys, thank you again for being patient with me in this build, in this dream garage. And can't wait to continue to feature this garage and all the work that I do here. And yeah, pretty exciting, guys. It came a long ways, that's for sure. Chester and I have done quite a bit of work here the past few months to get it to this standard, to this state. And stay tuned, guys. Pretty exciting. Pretty excited to continue and make more videos for you. So thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Press that like button, given that that would help me quite a bit. A long ways to for the algorithm to help me out there to gain more subscriber in the process. There's a lot of hard work involved in doing all this, and so if you could please continue your subscription, your likes, your comments, please. Your suggestions are always welcome. So again, guys, as always, thank you very much.